Hello friends, today let's look at an interesting and unique investment avenue. Imagine investing in global stocks, funds and financial products in US dollars sitting here in India, that too legally and with tax advantages. Sounds like something people only in Dubai and Singapore do, right? Well, you're wrong. India now has its own international financial hub, and most investors still don't know how powerful it is. Today, we are talking about GIFT City, India's International Financial Services Center, also known as GIFT City IFSC. If you want to know the future of global investing through India, watch this video till the very end. How did it start? India wanted to compete with international financial hubs like Dubai, Singapore, London, so it simply built its own. GIFT City is basically a financial zone in India which works like an offshore financial center. GIFT City stands for Gujarat International Finance Tech City. Inside this zone, financial institutions can operate in multi-foreign currency like US dollars, euros, pounds, etc. GIFT City is developed as a special economic zone with global financial infrastructure, international banking units, and global exchange. The idea is very simple. Instead of Indian capital flowing into Dubai or Singapore, India wants those financial activities to happen within India. All financial activities in GIFT City are overseen by the International Financial Services Center Authority, known as IFSCA. Here, a single authority operates instead of multiple regulators. So, licensing, permits, compliances have become that much more simpler. In many cases, work is completed through a single window system. The goal of GIFT City is simple: create global standard financial regulations so international investors and institutions feel comfortable operating through India. So while the environment is flexible, it is not unregulated. There are two types of money flows in GIFT City, and understanding this is crucial. Inbound investments for NRIs, foreign citizens, institutions brings in capital inside India, while outbound investments allow resident Indian investors to invest globally. An example of inbound investments: a global fund investing in Indian startups or infrastructure. Outbound investment: Indian investors use GIFT City platforms to invest into international assets like global stocks, international funds. This makes GIFT City a two-way financial bridge between India and the outside world. You might be wondering, is GIFT City only for big institutions? No, both institutional as well as individual investors can be a part of the system. Investors include global banks, asset management companies, insurance companies, banking institutes, hedge funds, family offices, institutional investors, Indian residents, NRIs, foreign citizens, OCI holders, etc. Now, let us look at the benefits for individual investors. For NRIs or foreign residents, capital gains tax on securities and mutual funds is absolutely zero. There is no tax on interest earned in GIFT City, debentures and bank deposits. Tax on dividends in India is 20%, whereas in GIFT City it is just 10%. There is no STT, no GST, which in turn improve your returns. Normally, if you have to take funds out of India, you have to comply with the regulations stipulated by RBI and FEMA. Also, you need multiple tax certificates like 15CB. There is no such restriction or requirement in GIFT City. You can practically take away all your money and it just takes 2 or 3 days. Also, you did not open an Indian bank account. You can do your investments through your current offshore or foreign bank accounts, since all the investments are in dollars. And for Indian residents, all the above holds true, and there is a plus. You can invest in global stocks like Google, Tesla, Microsoft, Nvidia through GIFT City. Tax-free global investment option adds dimension to your portfolio. GIFT City lets you diversify beyond local and go global. In addition, since these investments are in US dollars, you hedge your currency risk and benefit from dollar appreciation. And all this can be done through your existing Indian bank account. Compliance is easy for NRIs, foreign residents, Indian investors, and it is completely regulated. So, let's summarize why GIFT City is becoming India's most important financial developments. GIFT City has the potential to turn India into a global financial powerhouse. Key benefits: access to global investments through India, dollar-denominated financial products, international financial ecosystem, tax incentives, strong regulatory framework, attraction of global capital into India for investors and institutions. This could be a major shift into how India connects with global finance. If you want more videos where we break down complex financial concepts in simple language, please like and subscribe to the channel.